to undo the roof racks on a 2019 RAV4 hybrid and RAV4 gas. Just follow these simple steps, or you can follow my earlier video, link below, and just follow them in reverse. You've got directions here that show you how to lock and unlock these aerodynamic flares. Just unlock them all the way around. And then put the key in the bag, because you're not going to need it again. Just make sure you do what I do, or don't do what I do, shall I say. And actually read which way you're supposed to turn, look which way you're supposed to turn the key, and not try to lock it when it's already locked, because that's not going to work. Alright, so after that, you've got these aerodynamic flares. I'm going to work on the other side so you can see what I'm doing first. They're a little hard to get off just because they're so tight. Take your hand, go here, and pull towards you, and try to rotate them off. They will hurt your fingers, so just be prepared for that. But yeah, just let me zoom in on this one. Put your hand here, and lift up, and it comes right off. Take this guy. Just pry it off. It'll come off eventually. Alright, the next part is you've got the bolts that hold the rails in. Take your socket wrench, because the torque wrench isn't going to do anything for you, and just loosen them. And once you feel it like you're loose, stop. Do not remove the bolt, because otherwise the little the metal washer can come out too and scratch your car if it falls. Once that's done, I take a nut and the washer / clip and the bolt out. Make sure that they're not stuck to the screw. Sometimes they come out like this and they're in the thread, and they can fall and hit your paint. Throw them in the bag. Do the same for the other side. That one's loose. And that one's loose. Alright, those guys are out. Pull that one out of him. Load out. There's that. Take your torque wrench, put it in the bag. Seal her up, and you're good to go, essentially. And then it's just lift up the rails. This part that was facing the front of the car goes down. Put those in the box. You're good to go. Take your rail covers, Open the bag. Pop them in. They're keyed. The rail covers are keyed for the front and back. Not sure about left and right, but I've labeled the bag, so I put them back in the same spot. I was trying to put the back line in front, which doesn't work. Just on the right front, and then zoom in on the right rear so y'all can see what's going on. So just take it, pop it in. You'll feel it when it goes in. It doesn't sit right. You gotta force it. It's not in. You'll feel it. Pop it in. Good to go. Clean up, and you're done. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.